In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Google Drive and ensure that it's shareable with others, making it accessible whenever and wherever you need it. This process is not only useful for personal storage, but also incredibly practical for sharing images with friends, family, or colleagues. Let's dive right in. First, the initial step is to upload the image file to your Google Drive. The process here is quite straightforward. Begin by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Drive interface, which may already be familiar to many of you. It's a cloud-based tool that's part of the G Suite set of applications, providing ample storage and robust sharing capabilities. On the top left corner, you'll notice a plus new button. Click on this button, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location on your computer where your image file is stored. Once you've selected the file, simply click Open, and your chosen image will begin uploading to Google Drive. With the file now safely stored on your drive, the next step is to make the file shareable. To do this, find your recently uploaded image in your drive. You can do this by scrolling through your files or by using the search bar at the top. Once you've located the image, right-click on it to open a contextual menu. From this menu, select Get Link. Here's where we set the permissions for sharing your image file. Google Drive offers various sharing settings, but to share it broadly, you'll want to set the access level to anyone with the link. Alternatively, if you have a specific audience in mind, you can limit access to only those individuals. Once you've made your choice, click Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. We're almost there. The final step in this process is building a direct image URL. This step can seem a little technical, but it's useful when you want a direct link that can be embedded in other documents or platforms. The link you copied earlier will take viewers to a Google Drive preview page. To create a direct URL that shows the image itself, you need to modify the link slightly. Take the copied URL and identify the part that says File D, your file ID view. You'll need to replace it with Export View, your file ID. What this does is create a link that removes the Drive interface and leads directly to the image display, making it perfect for embedding or sharing in a cleaner way. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've uploaded an image to Google Drive, set it up for sharing, and learned how to create a direct URL for easier viewing. This method is efficient, clear, and versatile, ensuring you can access or share your important images effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.